the deep night, the sky feels still and watching. Then, without warning, a thin line of fire cuts the darkness. A shooting star is not a wish. It is a fragment of stone, ancient and silent, entering its final moment. For a breath of time, it glows brighter than fear, then vanishes. The sky closes again, calm and cold. Shooting stars begin far away, drifting through space for millions of years. They are small pieces of rock and metal, forgotten by time. Alone, they travel in endless dark. No purpose guides them. They simply move, waiting for gravity to pull them toward a planet that will end their journey. When one reaches Earth, it meets the atmosphere like a wall of fire. Air presses against it with violent force. Heat rises fast. The surface burns and breaks apart. This burning creates light, the brief flash we see. It looks beautiful, but it is destruction happening at great speed. Most shooting stars die completely before touching the ground. They are erased by friction and heat. Nothing remains but fading light. The sky shows mercy by hiding the end. What we admire is not birth, but the last breath of something ancient. Some meteors are larger and stronger. They survive the fall. When they strike the ground, the impact can shake the land. In the past, such impacts changed the course of life itself. Space does not aim, but its accidents can reshape worlds. Meteor showers happen when Earth crosses paths with debris left behind by comets. The sky fills with falling lights, one after another. It feels magical, but it is a graveyard in motion. Many ancient pieces meet their end in a single night. People make wishes when they see a shooting star. They believe the moment is special. But the star does not hear them. It is too busy burning, breaking, and disappearing. Space does not grant dreams. It only follows its own rules. Each shooting star carries a story older than humanity. It has seen stars form and die. It has crossed silent regions no light touches. Yet its end is quick and unnoticed. Even great journeys can finish in a blink. The darkness of the sky makes the light feel stronger. Without the dark, the flash would mean nothing. Space reminds us that beauty often comes from contrast, from light fighting against the void, even if only for a second. The silence after a shooting star feels heavier. The sky returns to darkness, as if nothing happened. But the memory remains in the eyes of the observer. Space leaves marks without staying. Not all shooting stars are alone. Some arrive in groups, filling the night with fire. For a short time, the sky feels alive. Then it empties again, returning to its endless calm. Every shooting star is a countdown. The moment it enters the air, its fate is sealed. There is no escape, no second chance, only speed, heat, and light before the end. When you see a shooting star, remember this: you are watching an ancient traveler die. It does not scream, it does not resist. It simply burns, shines, and disappears, leaving the night darker than before.